We're here at Luzia, which is the new Cirque du Soleil show that's opening in San Francisco later this week. They invited us to check out some of the technology powering the show, so let's go check it out.
Welcome to Luzia, and here we're going into the artistic tent where the artists are actually getting ready before the show. So in this space, there's different purposes. We do all the trainings, the different acts of the show that can happen in this space. This side over here, we have the dressing rooms where the artists actually apply their own makeup. And there's also the wardrobe department in this space. All our costumes are actually handmade at our head office in Montreal. And most of the fabric is white at first, so we do everything in-house. The show will last for about 10 years, so we need to have the same kind of design for the whole run of the show, so that's why we do everything in-house instead of buying it on the market. There's 3 ladies that travel with us and take care of the costumes. We also hire locally supporting staff members to help us out as well. There's 1,500 costume pieces in Luzia. Each artist, we have 44 of them. They have between 3 and 6 different costumes during the performance. Here's where we keep some of the puppets, massive puppets that we have in the show. So you have the horse here on your right. We also have a jaguar in the show. So we wanted to highlight the work of the puppeteers so you can actually see them manipulate the animals throughout the performance. And now let's take you down to the stage.
There's a group of conceptors who will take a theme and start developing the theme into more concrete ideas. By the time we get to this level of the production, almost everything you see on stage is custom for the idea. I'm a big fan of our dual turntables. We have 2 independent infinite rotation turntables. We have 2 big treadmills in the stage. They're aftermarket mining equipment put together to be an 18-foot long treadmill. Tumbling acrobats or giant granite stones, it really wouldn't matter. These machines would rotate them. The rain truss is a very dynamic element in our show. It consists of an 80-liter tank at the top of our grid, which is 40 feet above the stage level. There's 174 solenoid valves that open or close based on the commands we send from our lighting software. Those valves work sort of like pixels on a screen, and we can turn them on or off. And depending on what we choose to do, we get images on stage, either animals and flowers or different rain effects. We have a large filtration and tank system upstage at the big top. It's 3,000 liters in the tank. It's about 3,000 liters in the pool in the stage, and all the systems are connected with hosing. So add another 1,500 liters or so total volume. We're looking at almost 7,500 liters of water in a closed system that we recycle. So any rain that we have in the show will drain through the stage, get pumped back to the filtration system, cleaned again, and then heated and sent back up to the top for rain the following show. Act to act, trick to trick, move to move. Our primary goal is to do the same show every time.